Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys today. It's what I think is a Blu-ray triple feature of The Day After Tomorrow, Jumper, and The Happening. So let me open this and see if that's true. I can already see there's a Blu-ray, and yep, that's what it is. Here's what looks like, and you can see the discs themselves. They look pretty nice. I think the hinge is broken on one of them. I only got this for The Day After Tomorrow because that's actually a good movie. I might be reviewing that on my channel sometime soon. So here's what that disc looks like. Looks like this. And it smells just like a Blu-ray should. Also comes with one of these tabs that are in like every Blu-ray that I've ever owned. Overall, I'd have to give this Blu-ray like an 8.9 because it's kind of broken at the hinge. That kind of ruins it. But the Blu-rays are in nice condition though, as it should. That'll be my review, and play hardy, my homies. Watch good movies, my homies.